Hi, I'm Captain Herrera, Public Information Officer for CAL FIRE. Today we're at CAL FIRE's Hemet Ryan Air Attack Base, where we will be discussing the air operations out of Hemet Ryan. Joining us today is Battalion Chief Justin McGough, Battalion Chief in charge of the air operations.
We had the best seat in the house. We're able to see the big picture. We can see the whole fire in totality versus segments of that fire. Aircraft in itself does not put out fires. What we do is we slow that fire down, or we check that fire up to allow the firefighters on the ground to either perform hose lays, establish hand lines, the bulldozers to get in there. The boots on the ground effectively put out the fire. We just simply are able to get in there, apply the retardant, slow down the fire. We can kind of steer the fire into an area that may have a good fuel break, less vegetative matter, a road system, waterway to that point. That makes us so effective while we're out. Effectiveness as aircraft is all dependent on wind and visibility. If we have one or the other or both of those, it limits our ability to be able to fly our aircraft effectively on wildland fire. And it may be so that the visibility is good in and around the fire, but the different airports in which the firefighting aircraft is staged at is completely socked in smoke. And CAL FIRE flies under visual flight rules. We don't fly under any instrument flight rules. So if we don't have a mile clean visibility, we're not getting in or out of an airport. And then if it's too smoky in and around the fire, we can't see, it's not safe. Some of our larger firefighting aircraft will take the 747 Tanker 944 event. They need over 2 miles of clean air, good visibility to be able to perform a drop run on a fire. So as we get in around wind speeds that exceed 30 miles an hour, the retardant is just no longer effective. As it exits the aircraft, it is dispersed by the wind to the point that it no longer coats the vegetative matter or anything that we're trying to protect. And quite honestly, it gets blown into the burn and is ineffective.